Hey guys, as usual, I'm printing something. Check out my HariFun Facebook page if you're interested in what I'm printing. But anyway, we're here for the cube. I just discovered that there's some documentation for this remote. So it is mostly in Chinese, but you could see faintly there is some English words there for volume and previous and next song stuff. But yeah, and it also comes with this thing that I have not have time to play with yet. So you can actually program the cube. It is not in Arduino IDE, but there is some documentation. Unfortunately, a lot of it is in Chinese. But anyway, those are the leftover LEDs that I still have. But I know what you guys are here for, to win one of these. So let's pick a winner. Okay, I've moved upstairs, so hopefully you can't hear the printer anymore. Let's see how many people have left comments. Come on, internet. Let's see. 859 views, 187 comments. Very nice. Thanks for all the comments, guys. I enjoy reading them. I think all we need is the URL, so go pick the URL here. We'll go to random comment picker YouTube. And I think all we have to do is just paste our comments here. And it picks all those comments, and then it picks the unique commenters. So those people who enter multiple times, sorry guys, it doesn't improve your chance of winning. It picks the unique numbers. And then I think all we have to just click this button. Enter if you do YouTube URL, we did that. Click the search icon, get a Q, okay, we did that. And then start a raffle, pick a random winner. Share the winner. Okay, you guys ready for this? Well, good luck to the winner. They make it quite dramatic with all the names in there. Well, Tino S, congratulations. You are the winner of the LED cube. I will contact you via YouTube, and then you give me your mailing address, and we'll have Banggood send it to you. So thanks to all of you who participated, and thanks to Banggood for providing the prize. Congratulations, Tino. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.